This video is about how to find, download, and install the Python environment. So in your web browser, go to python.org, I should say, and the website should look like this. Look for the downloads in the menu, and then there'll be a grey button that's Python 3.8.5. Click that, and the download should begin. Once it's downloaded and it'll look a lot like that, click on it, click run, or the equivalent of whatever your operating system is. But I just want to bring your attention to this. Add Python 3.8 to path. Please click on that and then click on the install button, as that will be useful if you start developing Python graphical games. Alternatively, if you're online or maybe just using a tablet computer with a keyboard, I'd say you need a Bluetooth keyboard to code with a tablet. You can just code online. We've got an area here called gcsecs.com. gcsecs.com. The CS at the end stands for computer science. And when you get to this website, you've got contact/more, and the first thing here says code editor. You click on code editor, and what you have is a Python environment where you can code online, and you can start coding quite quickly. So here's a quick program, and you click the triangle button to run that, and it outputs immediately. Other features include you can drag this across to change the output. You can share or save your code in various ways, and I'll do a video on that. But it's just a nice quick way to get into coding without the hassle of an environment. And that's it.